Hi there, so here is the OnePlus Pad 4 and here is the OnePlus Stylo Pro. This is the new stylus, the Pro variant. Let's quickly unbox both of them and we'll start with the Pad. So we can see the image of the Pad right here. On the side here you can see this is a 12GB RAM, 512GB ROM variant, and this is the Dune Glow color. Some more details at the back. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So right on the top obviously is the Pad itself. Then we have this booklet, and inside here is some paperwork. Then we have the much loved red OnePlus USB A to USB-C charging cable and an 80-watt Super VOOC charger. Now as there's no SIM ejector pin included in the box, obviously this is a Wi-Fi only variant. Then here is the OnePlus Stylo Pro. You can see the image of the stylus right here. Some manufacturing details at the back. So let's quickly open it up. And there is the stylus. There you go. Wow, that looks really nice. If you look closely, it comes with a different kind of a pen, which is like a pencil. So it basically has more friction while you write. Now as you can see, they've actually provided an extra nib as well, just in case you need it. All right, let's quickly open it up. So here is the OnePlus Pad 4 in our hands, and this is the Dune Glow color, which is kind of like chocolate brown, kind of like grayish, and it actually really stands out. Looks very nice. It's an all unibody design, metallic body, and it's matte finish, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Absolutely looks so premium. Now the other thing right here you can see is that it comes with these terminals, which is to connect to a wireless keyboard. So basically the keyboard that you attach will not need to be charged separately. It will take power from the tablet. You can spot the OnePlus logo right here. Then you can spot the rear camera here. Now the first thing that instantly grabs my attention is the thinness. The Pad 4 is just 5.94 mm thin and weighs just 672 grams. Yes, that's really good. It actually feels a lot lighter than it sounds. It's very well balanced, feels so good in the hand. Ultra slim, absolutely love it. Now another thing that truly blew me away is the battery. It comes with 13,380 mAh battery, which is the largest battery on any OnePlus tablet till date. Yes, such a big, huge battery, and still the tablet is ultra slim. Very impressive. Of course, it still supports 80-watt charging, which is even better. Now, if you look closely here, you can spot the volume rockers. On the other side is the power standby button. Then you can also spot some speakers here. They're basically 8 speakers, 4 woofers and 4 tweeters. I'm sure the audio is going to be next level. That's something we'll reserve for our full review. But overall, very impressive. And of course, there's the USB-C port here to charge the tablet. Now on the top here, you have the slot. This basically is to place the pen. Yes, the stylo magnetically attaches and starts charging once placed on the top. So you don't need to charge the stylo separately. I always find this very convenient. Overall, the build quality and design is truly impressive. Now we can't talk much about the display right now. It's under embargo. So that's something we'll reserve for our full review. But what I can tell you is it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Yes, the most powerful chipset available in the market. When it comes to the RAM, again, the fastest one, LPDDR5X RAM, and the fastest UFS 4.1 storage. Really good. Now, of course, there are details that we can't share more about it. It is reserved for the full review. I think I've said it a couple of times. So meanwhile, we'll be testing this device intensively. We'll check for the battery, the display, multitasking, gaming, everything that you want. We're going to test in this time and we'll put it in our full review, which you shouldn't miss. The OnePlus Pad 4 is launching on the 30th of April. Full review of that will be coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed. So meanwhile, you can drop in your comments here, some questions that you want to see in the full review, which we'll cover. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.